Hello all the tech geeks, and I am back with one more video. This is the Micromax Unite 2, a pretty rare phone. It was not rare, it became rare right now because all the stocks were out in the market, but after so much of struggling, at last I got the device. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the box of the Micromax Unite 2. You can see the main feature that Micromax is touting with this phone is that it supports 20 regional languages. Uh, Along with English, that becomes 21 languages, and at the back there are some features written. We have a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, that is the MT6582, and we have a 5 megapixel back camera, a 2 megapixel front camera. The front camera is a fixed focus camera and the back camera is an autofocus camera. It is also the first phone with Android 4.4 KitKat out of the box from Micromax, and it has a 2000 mAh battery. You can also see that the matte call app is preloaded and it is available in 4 colors: the grey, the white, the red and the blue. We have the grey box here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And here we have the box. Let's cut with the seal also. Here we have the seal, and we are done. Now let's unbox it and see what are the box contents. So the box is pretty tough to lift out. Okay, we have got it out, and yes, the material inside is pretty good solid box. Then we have the top, the phone. We will keep it aside for the time being, and let's see what's there. So let's pull it out. So we have our 2000 mAh battery. Let me show it to you. So pretty huge battery, 2000 mAh. Some documentations, warranty guide, user guide, SI information and a download certificate. Then we have the scratch guard. Then we are getting a box inside the box, and it should have the charger, headphones and all these stuff. So these are the headphones. So let me open these. So these are the headphones, pretty standard headphones. We do not get the flat style of headphones, and again the bad Micromax charger. We were getting a good charger with the Micromax Mad, but yeah, we are getting again that standard Micromax charger. Pretty disappointing. Then we have a USB cable. There, that is it. So standard stuff in the box. Let's go ahead and start the phone. And here we have the phone. Let's keep the battery aside and take it out of the wrapper. Okay, so this is the phone, pretty light. We can see some specifications written here, and at the back we have the 5 megapixel camera, the LED flash, a Micromax branding, the earpiece down here, the 3.5mm headphone jack, the charging port. Left side super clean. Right side we have the power button and the volume rockers. So pretty good sturdy build quality. And here we have the 2 megapixel camera, fixed focus camera, the earpiece, and here we have some sensors. So if you want to buy this phone, you can go ahead and check out the link down in the description, the Flipkart link. If you buy the phone from that link, this will actually help the channel to grow. Okay, let me take off this scratch card and let me insert the battery and a SIM and a memory card. So we need to take the back cover out, and here you can see a mini SIM card slot and a micro SIM card slot, and here is the micro SD card slot. So let me put in the micro SIM first. So this is the micro SIM. this. Then we will take the battery and insert it, and then we will take the micro SD card slot. I have a 16K micro SD card slot, and it goes in completely like this, and you will hear a click. So let me put back up and power it up, and it's powering. So this powered by Android is new for all the Android devices. Google has now made it compulsory. So the Unite boot up, and now we can set the device up. Okay. So now it asks me for a Wi-Fi setup. Let me give in the password. So now it asks me for a Google account setup. I will do it and come back. Now I will sign in. Now it asks me that do you want to backup or not. So okay. Set up payment info. Not now. And now the phone is restoring. Okay, I type in my name. SIM card detected, close, and welcome. We are running Android 4.4 KitKat out of the box. This is the user interface, as you can see, pretty standard. So here we have the phone. It is now completely set up, and the apps are downloading at the back. So this is the lock screen. We can either go out of the screen, means unlock the phone, or directly go to the M Live. Okay, so now this is pretty much looking like the Google Now launcher, but we do not get Google Now while after swiping to the left. So this is the normal Android 4.4 interface. As you can see, it is pretty fast. You can see a lot of preloaded apps that we are getting here. Lots of preloaded apps. There is a folder here called the Google Apps, and all the Google apps are arranged in this folder neatly. We also have this Mad app that you can see. So okay, this was the user interface. Let's see the dialer and the standard Android 4.4 dialer here. Let's go to the messaging app and standard messaging app, and we can see a new keyboard, and this actually supports the 20 regional languages, as you can see. One thing to note is that on Android 4.4 you get to the multitasking panel using this menu key. You can get to the multitasking panel, and if you long press the home button, you get to Google Now. Okay, so that is it. You can also go to Google Now like this. Yes, I want. Yes, I am in, and here you can see Google Now pops up. So let me go to the camera interface and see how the camera performs and what is the user interface. So it shows me a tutorial first. Okay, we need to pinch to zoom, and okay, we are in. So we have tap to focus, and let me turn on the flash, and it is using the flashlight as a companion to its focus. So let me bring in the box of the Mac 2 and take a photo of it. let me see the photo. Okay, so the photos come out pretty good. We have ample amount of details that can be given with a 5 megapixel camera. Here are the modes and Android 4.4 feature. If you swipe down, you get to the status bar. Okay, you also have HDR. So that was the camera interface. So do we have something else to see? So no, everything is over now. So this was it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment your thoughts below and subscribe to his channel. You can also expect a full review, a benchmark video and a gaming review coming really soon. This was it from Techland. This was Swapnil from Techland. Have a nice day.